This is called the Classroom to Career event. It's really about STEM education and getting educators and industry professionals in the same room. This is an incredible event that allows for that networking, and as the classroom teacher, don't have to go do it myself. Our sphere is so large, from AI to virtual reality to cybersecurity. There's a lot going on, and we're here to educate them and get them the resources they need both in industry and post-secondary education.
It's important for us to have these conversations with business leaders and educators to really be much more thoughtful about how we could bring these unique experiences to develop the next generation of not only STEM professionals, but business leaders, community leaders, and even the next generation of mentors for our kids.
Are you looking for candidates to fill full-time roles, internships, strategic volunteers, or project roles? Email careerservices@gcu.edu to learn about GCU's employer network, career connections, and gain access to our digital job board, hiring events, and multiple ways to connect with incredible student talent.